How to recover forgotten Discord password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can recover your forgotten Discord password. In order to recover or reset your password, you have to first of all make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first you can go ahead and open up your Discord application, and right on this page, go ahead and tap the login button. As per the login button, you need to go ahead and enter in the email or phone number, and for the password field, go ahead and tap on forgot your password. So after you click on forgot your password, then click the confirm button. Now it's going to ask you to confirm some sort of information, so go through it. Then the instruction on the registered email has been sent. As you can see, in my case, I've already received it. Now go ahead and tap on the email that you've received and click on reset password. As you do that, now you need to reset your password. Now you need to create a new password and click the change password button. And as soon as you do that, you've successfully changed your password. You can log in with your newly created credential. So that's basically how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.